Hey, welcome back to one of the Dow Jones Index average analysis, and it's Nathaniel here from Streetwise Education. Today I'm looking at the weekly charts for the Dow Jones Index, and as you can see, the charts is actually moving quite nicely up. There is some pullback, and but beyond that, I mean, if you look at the indicator, everything looks pretty good. So in the next couple of weeks, I see that the Dow Jones will punch through the 35,000 marks, so probably will go higher. And if the projection looks correct based on this, then we can I definitely see that it's possible that it go to 40,000, about 40,000 in the next couple of months. Now, a lot of things would happen from now to then, of course, but there is couple resistance here, as you can see, that those two highs. So I will keep an eye on it. But beyond that, if you look at it, the trend since 2000, well, as far as I can go, you can see that the trend's been going up quite nicely. So, and will be interesting to see what's happening. And let's go to the weekly chart. The daily charts first. Now, on the daily chart, there's going to be a crossover soon, so I do see that it's possible the market will contest those high, and if it does punch through, the Dow Jones is going to go higher, despite of what's happening in America right now. So the stock market is going further up. So, but again, this is my thoughts anyway. Now, again, remember, it's not advice. If you do need financial advice, please sit before you do anything. I'm looking at indices, so just be mindful of that. And every time when there's a stock market make a high, afterward they always drop. So if we do hit a highest level, the chances are that the market will come back down. And the things that you need to do, if you're doing the courses with me through the Ferris website, just depends which one you're on, just remember this: have a strategy to get out. So the risk management strategy or the money management strategy that I mentioned or I taught, use those things. Okay, so and then see if you can do the other side of the market if you can, but always have your risk management. So I know there's a lot of commentators talk about different tools. I'm not going to talk about those things, but I'm just looking at this as a you got to have strategy. Okay, so if the market go one way, you got to have strategy put in place. Remember, you're up against hedge funds manager, fund managers, the government. So they do control the market in a way, because if they print more money, that will fix the market. So just be mindful of those things. And with the apps we use and the software, we can do a lot more. So just be, have a plan, really have a plan, like I taught in the Millennia course. So make sure you have a plan and put that in place, but also have the bear market side if there's a bear market. So if there's a bear market coming, have a strategy for that. So what do you need to do? So just make sure you know it. And if you learn from GameStop, where everyone jump on Reddit and then they short sell the stocks, so just mention that. So there are way of doing other stuff. Now, if you're interested, just leave some comments and I will do something for you guys. Okay, so have fun, and I will catch up with you next week on the direction of the markets.